A. A for apple. Slanting line, then again slanting line, and in the middle slipping line. It's A for apple. B. B for ball. Slanting line, then one curve, then one more curve. It's B. B for ball. C. Curve. C for car. D. Standing line, then curve. It's D. D for dog. E for elephant. Standing line, then at the top slipping line, in the middle slipping line, and at the bottom slipping line. It's E for elephant. F for fish. Standing line, then at the top slipping line, then in the middle slipping line. F for fish. G for goat. Make a C, then slipping line. It's G for goat. H for hen. Standing line, then one more standing line, and in the middle slipping line. It's H for hen. I for igloo. Standing line, it's I for igloo. J, standing line, then little curve, J for jug. K for kite. Standing line, then from the middle slanting line and one more slanting line. It's K for kite. L for line. Standing line, then at the bottom slipping line. It's L. M for monkey. Standing line, then from the top slanting line, one more slanting line, then standing line. It's M for monkey. N, standing line, from the top slanting line till end, and from the end take one more standing line. It's N for nest. O for owl. Make an oval. It's O. P for parrot. Standing line, then from the top make a curve. It's P for parrot. Q for queen. Make a O, then at the bottom make slanting line. It's Q for queen. R for rabbit. Standing line, then curve, then slanting line from the end of the curve. R for rabbit. S for snake. Make right side curve, then left side curve. It's S for snake. T for tiger. Standing line, and at the top slipping line. It's T for tiger. U for umbrella. U for umbrella. V for van. Slanting line, then at the end one more slanting line going up. It's V for van. W for whale. Make V, then join one more V. It's W for whale. X for xylophone. X for xylophone. Y for yarn. Make V, and at the tip of the V make standing line. It's Y for yarn. Z for zebra. Slipping line, then from the end make slanting line, and from the end of the slanting line make one more slipping line. It's Z for zebra.